Hey guys, long time no see. How are you guys? Hope you're all doing well. I've been busy as usual. I was okay. How am I gonna start this? They called me for a course. So, as you guys know, I'm already a technician, but they called me for another technician course. So I decided, yeah, let's make another one because, this course that I made was like only for like a month. And now I'm making an internship on a store. So, yeah, I'm back on the, being active. And I thought, well, since I haven't been updating my YouTube, let's make another video and let's update all of my friends and stuff on YouTube and let them know what I've been doing. So that's pretty much it. I'm doing an internship because, as you guys know, I don't really like to be doing nothing of my life. So yeah, I'm happy now. I'm being proactive again, so yeah. So anyway, what I'm gonna talk about today is and if you hear gunshots, it's because we have a military place next to my house. So yeah, you guys have been wondering for sure, where is Sarah, what is she doing? So yeah, as you guys noticed, I've been a lot on TikTok. So if you've been watching lots of videos from there, don't worry, I just like to put, organize my videos and put the TikTok videos here on YouTube too. So you can follow me there if you want, on TikTok and here on YouTube, and you can be updated with everything that I do. I always do random stuff and random videos because it's funny and I like to do that. But yeah, if you want to see me more active, just go on TikTok. I do a bunch of stuff there. So okay, today I'm gonna talk about the crazy things that's been going on, and I'm gonna show my new bag that it's already super used. Let's check. Okay, so this bag goes with me every day, and I put all of my stuff here. So I'm sure that everyone has been having a super busy time, and with the thing going on in the world, the virus, people are going nuts. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you what's inside my bag and what I've been using during this whole pandemic thing. First of all, I've been taking a bit more care of my face because I still have a lot of acne. So I bought these little My Label Love My Skin Super Botanics nights, and I put this every night. And as you can see here, this is this is an anti-pollution cream. So for the people that spend a lot of time outside and you want to be safe with your face, you use this and you are resistant to outside aggressions. So put this in your face and you will not have aggressive people getting near you. Okay, so open, and it's basic cream. So I've been using this, and I've been using this gel Survivor, only this is apocalyptic stuff. Oh my god, that's weird. Okay, that's my thumbnail. Okay, so let's check my bag. Oh, and I've been using, by the way, before I show my bag, I've been using this micellar water or something to clean my eyes and stuff, because I use a lot. I mean, I put lots of lashes makeup on my eyes, and I use this a lot to take it off, so it cleans it very well. Okay, but whatever. Let's check my bag and what I use on the Apocalyptic World. Okay, let's go. First, I have this little cherry with aloe vera alcohol gel, and if you look, there's little things inside, and like every time I go out, I just put a bit and clean my hands like that to kill all the virus, and I'm done. So I use this on my bag. I have like a thing for my hair. I have I always like to carry this with me. This is like liquid for your eyes when if you use products or something, you get something in your eye, and if your eye gets red, you just use a bit of this and your eye is okay. Or if you get some dust in your eye, whatever, just use this and you'll be fine. I have my old school mirror. I always have my mirror. What I have here, I have, I like to use lots of keys. These are my usual keys, but I have these on my bag because I can't carry too much weight on my bag. So I have a little, flashlight here. So this gives light. And I have something, this is secret, so I'm not gonna say what this is. And I have this SOS, this makes noise, like, this makes a lot of noise, so if something happens to me, I just, and this makes really loud noise, so just in case I get lost, I just use this. Yeah. I have my home keys. And what else? I have my, my little pocket bag with my, oh my god, I can show that. I have my pocket bag with my cards and money and stuff. I have my old school glasses. I always wear these. I have this little box I got, and I put like, I put pills here for, pain and allergies, and I have another mask here. So that's that. I have this, just accessory to put on your mask like that. Oh, I have a mini fan, but I have to clean it because my hair gets stuck here all the time. So you just click here and supermodel. Okay, that's my mini fan, and it's making noise, but whatever. I have my inhaler, but I don't really use this much. As you can see, it's like super old and there's lots inside. This is only for SOS if I get an asthma attack. I have some makeup. more makeup. This is Avon mascara. What else? Nothing here. Okay, so my bag has like compartments here, here, and here inside. So here I have like this coconut and yeah, coconut and starfruit little perfume. I have my internship shirts because I have to wash one of them. I have a bottle of water. I have another mask. This is a black one, so yeah, this is more fashion mask, so look like that. I have a notebook. I got this at Iberzino. It's a really nice store here. So I have my notebook. I have stuff written inside. I have like this little, you know, folder to put papers in. So yeah, I have another bottle of water. I have, oh, I got this at Iberzino too. This is like a little, you know, case to put my pens and pencils. So I have that. I have my, whoa, I have my umbrella. I still have this umbrella since I went to Lisbon. So I use it all the time because it rains sometimes. Oh my god, what is this? I have this thing that I bought the other day. And I have finally my vaccination cards. So sorry, naivish. I only had the first dose. I'm gonna have the second dose in 27th. Yeah, this weekend. So wish me luck. So I put it here to be a little bit more organized. And yeah, that's it. That's what's inside my bag. Anyway, yeah, I hope you liked it. Be careful out there. Don't turn into a survivor mode. Just live. Guys, this is a very, you know, stressful times. Everyone needs to be safe and careful with the virus. So if you guys can, just wear your masks and stuff, and yeah, that's it. I don't know what else to say. Let me see. Okay. Maybe next week I'll make another video, and I'm gonna talk about more stuff that's been happening in my life. I'm fixing a lot of things, and since I'm like working now on the internship, for me it's like a job. So yeah, I'm working, doing my best, doing everything for my kid and me, and taking care of everything that people wanted to know. So yeah, I'm taking care of all of my stuff. If you guys want to ask me more questions about my life, just send me a comment and like the video, share if you want, subscribe to my channel if you're not, and yeah, I don't know what else to say. Hope you liked my apocalyptic things, and I hope it gives you all some, inspiration to live your life and stuff. Make sure you guys are doing everything well and taking care of yourselves, and I'm always here for my online friends. See you next time, maybe next week. Bye.